Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Another big box unboxing coming your way. Let's go! Okay, so we have here another package from UPS. This got some delay because of results from the Hong Kong warehouse. But now it's here. So we're going to take a look at the content. Hopefully everything is here because our experience so far with buy and ship has been excellent, except for the last one wherein there was a missing figure. So I hope that the missing figure has been included here. So let's see what we have. This actually arrived with another package, so I hope there was a miscommunication of sort. Okay, I don't know. So we have here the Heroclix play at home kit. So this is going to a friend in CDO. Okay, so we have a trade for LCD for that. We have a couple more play at home kits from WizKids. So the Detective Chimp, and we have the Batman Detective. Okay, and then we also have the Iconics Poison Ivy, Roses for Red. So also part of that trade for Wolverine LCD. So it has arrived. And we have our second Super Pets. Okay, so we already got a first one, give it to Larry. We ordered a second one for possible pricing, selling, and or trade. Okay, and a couple figures here. We have two gnomes. Okay, this will be my 5th and 6th gnome, I think. And we have a Wolverine Phoenix. Okay, so somebody asked me to buy it online. It finally arrived here. But where's the card? I hope it's here. And a bunch of other items here. Okay, so some of these are for me. Some are pasabays from one of the local players here. Okay. Okay, where's the card of that Wolverine? Oh my, I don't think it's here. The items are here. Okay, but the card of that Phoenix Wolverine is not here. Oh my. So that is a bummer for us because it's not here. Okay, I'm gonna end the video with a sad note once again. Bye!